Welcome to RealBooks. Want to create an approval workflow in RealBooks? Follow these simple steps. To create an approval workflow in RealBooks, go to Masters, Accounts, Approval Workflow, and click on Create. Enter the rule name, choose the rule type, and select whether this workflow should apply to Create, Update, or both. If you select Create, the approval workflow will trigger only when someone creates an entry under the selected rule types. For example, creating a ledger in the ledger master, or posting a voucher. If you select Update, the approval workflow will trigger only when someone attempts to update an existing entry under the defined rule type. If you select both, the approval workflow will trigger in both cases. That is, during creation, as well as updating of entries. Next, move to the Rule Type tab. The rule can be a combination of various options. Let's set up an approval workflow for payment entries done by a specific user. Select the rule type as User. Tag the user on whom you want to impose the workflow. In the next row, set the branch where this workflow shall apply. Choose the specific ledger, if any, along with the threshold rule and value on which you want to trigger the approval workflow. Now, select the voucher type on which this rule will be applied, along with its threshold rule and value. If required, you can also select rule types for cost center, cost category, item group, ledger group, and any other conditions you want to apply. Once the rule type has been set, you can select the users who will be responsible for approving the actions under this approval workflow. If you want multiple levels of approval, you need to assign multiple approval flows to different users. For example, name the first approval level as Approval Level 1, First Approver, and select the user who will approve first. Then click on the plus icon to add the next approver and name it as Approval Level 2, Second Approver, and select the next user. You can continue this process for the final approval level as well. If required, you can also select just one level of approval. If you want email notifications to be sent to the users to whom the approval has been assigned, simply tick the Email Notification option. Select the permission type carefully, as per your requirement. If you select Allow Update after final approval, this means the user can update the entry even after approval. If you select Allow Delete after final approval, the users can delete the entry even after approval. If you select Allow Print before final approval, then the user will be able to generate prints of voucher, invoice, etc. even before final approval. Keeping these factors in mind, please select the options carefully. Once everything is set, click on Save. Your approval workflow is now successfully created.